Smile Money here again. I was at the range today, and to my surprise, they had 22 ammunition in stock. And not just any 22 ammunition. They had my favorite 22 ammunition, CCI Mini Mags. So I picked up 400 rounds. And the 400 rounds I picked up, well, they didn't all make it home because I did have with me my GSG 1911 and 22 caliber, and 50 rounds made it down range. So that's what I'm going to show you now. I'm going to roll a little footage of some video that I took firing the GSG 1911 with the CCI Mini Mags, and the gun ran flawlessly. Here, give it a watch. Thanks.